Welcome to a new video on AlHuTV. Today I get to introduce something new from the company Ecovacs, the Winbot W3 Omni. This is this beautiful model. It looks a bit like a washing machine from the front, but that's a bit misleading because what we actually have here, and this is pretty cool, is a cleaning system for our wiping pad. Maybe you're familiar with the usual problem. If you already have one, that you often have to remove this wiping pad, then you wet it, clean it, and then put it back onto the robot. So if I may demonstrate it for you, here we have our Winbot, of course, with our safety tether. Yes, and you saw how easy it actually is. And here we basically have this cleaning cloth. That's what I'm talking about. You don't have to remove it individually here with Velcro, as you might know from some other robots, but here you actually have a kind of frame and it's washed inside here, and then you put it back on. And you can continue right away, and that's really a huge time saver with this model, which I really like. In addition, of course, it cleans the windows, which I also really like. Yes, we'll take a closer look at this robot in just a moment. As I said, you may have already seen a bit about it in the intro, and you'll find out everything else here in my video. So let's take a closer look at the robot again. So, of course, I've cleaned several windows with it. The operation is super easy. I'll show you that again in a moment. Otherwise, I'd like to highlight one or two special features of this robot for you. As I said, when it comes to cleaning windows, we have this side belt drive system here. This ensures that you have a wider drive belt here, higher torque, and simply less vibration. And as a result, you get a more stable operation, especially with large windows. Yes, the power supply here is ultimately ensured by the battery. The remaining runtime is also displayed here. With that, you can really go a long way. I don't know how many windows you could manage with it. I've already cleaned quite a few windows and still have 2 hours of battery life left. That gets me pretty far. So for a conservatory, in my opinion, one charge would last a long time. So you can imagine just how far you can get with it. And of course, if you have a power outlet nearby, you can easily connect the whole thing to the mains and clean with it that way. But as I said, in the conservatory, if you want to use the somewhat shorter cable without an extension cord, then as mentioned, battery operation is absolutely no problem and it lasts. It really lasts for several hours here. And you can also see very well how it cleans the windows here. We have Wi-Fi here and we have an app which you also need to take a look at. But we get a really thorough cleaning here. I really like it, I have to say. We have 8 different cleaning modes here. Among other things, I also tested the intensive cleaning mode. In my opinion, this also works very well here, especially with the handprints on the wall. I had it clean everything here, and afterwards you couldn't see anything anymore. Yes, and that's already pretty good overall. So as I said, afterwards you can I'll just open this up so you can see it better. Then this flap opens here. Yes, that's where the mop cloth is. It's just placed in here. Yes, the second mop cloth. And here we can see the rotors inside. There are 4 of them, and they clean everything so that it's spotless again. And then basically a replacement blade. Just take it out, put it in here, and you can start again right away. That's no problem at all. I'll show you the display in a moment. And as I said, I'll attach it here, put the robot back on the window, and then we'll continue from there. By the way, the cable here is pretty long. I'm not sure exactly how long, but I'd estimate it to be about 4 to 5 meters. That's definitely decent. It's long enough, even if you go around the window to clean the backside. So you just lay it around the outside ones. That's not a problem at all either. You can use it anywhere. I used it outside. What really stood out to me is the very intelligent spray coverage we have here. It's noticeably better than what I know from the others. It makes a little zigzag downward and doesn't spray straight. Then it sprays, but in the end it sprays slightly downward. It then wipes that away again, and it does this every 2 times, at least that's what I noticed. And it ensures that it really covers a lot with this spraying, especially here on the glass. So I really like that as well. What I also really liked and found very positive is that the windows I have outside in the conservatory, of course, don't have a frame. Instead, the glass extends beyond the edge here. Even here, the robot recognizes when the glass ends, and it can also work here without a frame. There is often a window frame, which makes things relatively easy because the glass is enclosed, but in a conservatory, for example, the glass is sometimes exposed. Yes, and that's also very important. The robot recognizes this, doesn't go beyond the edge, and really handles it without any problems. I'd like to briefly show the robot here under the camera so you can take another look at the quality, but also see how it's constructed. You can just see it a bit better this way. Yes, let's take a look at the robot from underneath now. You can already see, yes, it's a bit clearer how everything is put together. So here we see this bumper, or rather not a bumper, sorry, this fall protection. When it reaches the edge of the window, it moves out like this, and then it knows, okay, the window ends here. These are basically the 4 edges, this blue part here. It ensures that we have this true edge feature, allowing it to clean right up to the edges and also along the window frame. The cleaning cloth here, you can see very clearly it's hooked in here like this, as I showed you. You can open it up like this and then you can remove it. Now it's a bit tricky with one hand, but it clicks into place. And then you can swap it out like this. By the way, here you can also see how it sits here with the foam, which is also used for generating the vacuum. This is where the vacuum is generally generated. And that's how it's constructed. So the whole thing is relatively simple. We can also see these little scrapers here. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're there to keep the running surface clean here, also on this side. So they've really thought of everything here. And of course, the whole thing has at every corner a kind of splash guard, a physical one. So it also knows where the window frame begins. Otherwise, you just place it here. I already briefly demonstrated that earlier in the video. And then the whole thing is inserted here. Of course, it's easier to do with 2 hands than with 1. So if you look at the other side, you can see the filling cap here. And there's also a cleaner included, which I can show you. Of course, you can use a glass cleaner. You can also use one from Ecovacs here. One is actually offered here, and it's included in the package. It's really a great cleaner, I have to say. It really gets the window nice and clean. Yes, that's definitely something about our robot. But let's take a closer look at the station again. I've already shown it to you here. So here at the front, we have this washing machine. It really looks pretty cool. And the back is kept relatively simple because we only have a hook here, and that's where the robot is placed. And that's enough. So really easy, right? That's the whole thing. And then it basically just hangs there and is tidied up as well. So you really don't need anything more than that. If the cable is too long, there's this slot here for it. There's also automatic cable retraction here. Then everything is secure and it can't fall down here either. Yeah, as you can see, it's totally simply designed. So let's turn the whole thing around. It's just a bit awkward for me to handle up here, but I want to show it to you after all. There's also a display. Let's take a look at that together as well. By the way, whatever we can set on the display here, you can also set in the app, but I'll show it to you because not everyone wants to use an app every time they put something in here. Personally, I actually find this here absolutely sufficient, but nonetheless, the app connectivity is available. So I'll turn it around again now so we can read it clearly. I hope you can read it reasonably well here. I think probably not. That's a bit annoying now because it's reflecting a bit. And because the light is reflecting off the camera a bit awkwardly now, it's not ideal. But nonetheless, I just want to show it to you really quickly. Even when I run my hand over it like this, the reflection is reduced. You can also read it better then. But I just want to give you a quick overview. So here we have the option to go through the menus. Here we have the manual. Everything is explained here for everyone. Here we can set up the Winbot itself. You can already see thorough cleaning. Here we only have an edge cleaning mode. You can select that here, basically. Then there's also a quick cleaning option here for those who want it. If we continue here are the other modes, specifically from the station. Here we have a standard wash. So as I said, then the washing machine at the front starts up. I've already shown you that. In the end, it washes or rotates inside, and the brushes then clean this cloth. Then there's also what's called a full wash. That's also possible. They are then cleaned even more thoroughly. And then there's also the compartment cleaning. That means when I'm done at the end, there's the option that I simply say, I'll take everything out and clean the compartment. And then we're basically done here. By the way, here's the button for winding up the cable. It gets wound up here. You can see it here. I'll just mention that again briefly. And then here's the button for the flap so that it opens here. And then here, we basically have what I've already shown you. That's really all there is to it. What might also be interesting, I'll just quickly turn it around for you again. So, of course, we have a dedicated container right here for the cleaning process. The mop, basically, yes, the insert. and we also have dirty water here. So it's not just cleaned here somehow, but it's actually cleaned and rinsed the whole thing. And with that, it's really completely clean here. You can also see how dirty the water gets. It works wonderfully. Otherwise, the operation is super easy. So what I also, I forgot to show something. I still want to show you that. We also have the mopping nozzles attached at the front here. I want to show you how they're constructed. Otherwise, I'll forget about it. So as you can see here, they're arranged like this. And at the same time, it's then, when mopping, it's not like this, but it points slightly downward and then sprays. So it basically sprays straight and then a bit downward. That's how it's constructed. The mopping nozzles are on both sides, so it doesn't need to turn for that. It sprays in one direction and then in the other. That's not an issue at all. As I said, there are these mopping nozzles on both sides. So then everything is tidied up. Now I'll let the cable retract again, and that's it. In general, I think you could see in the video how easy it is to use. Our Ecovacs Winbot W3 Omni is super, super easy to operate. As I said, there's also an app for it. I'll just show it to you briefly now, but I won't go into it any further. Because I simply think that everything is really shown here on the control panel, and when I'm working here, everything is covered. It's super easy and you don't necessarily need a smartphone for it. Nevertheless, it's offered and many people insist on it. That's also fulfilled here, as I said. Showing it on screen. I'll just show it to you briefly so you can see it. But now, myself, yes, I'm not going to present it in detail. I hope I've shown you with a few scenarios here, as I said, windows of every size where you can use it. Maybe another example here, because you might think you only have a few windows. So you can also use it in shower cabins, you can use it on tiles. Of course, you can use the whole thing as well. Use it in the conservatory frameless windows, that's interesting. Or you have a stairway hallway, where in the hallway you have a window that's maybe 4 meters high. You see that quite often, maybe a window that's really wide, but it goes up 4 meters high. Sometimes it's even wider. And of course, you can work wonderfully with a robot like this there as well. So I think I've talked a lot about it now. It really is a great thing and super easy to use. And I don't want to make it unnecessarily complicated either. If you want to know more about it, you can of course read everything again in the description below. Yes, those are still the individual terms listed, for example, navigation, WinSlim 5.0, and so on. That's the driving path of the Indie Legend, but you've already seen how you handle all of that and so on and so forth. So really very advanced actually by now. That's all from my side. As I said, you can read everything again below, it's no problem at all. And otherwise, feel free to like the video and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And until next time on AlHuTV,